Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to update the account owner in Salesforce quickly and easily. First, log into Salesforce and click on the app launcher in the main navigation bar. Next, navigate to Accounts. This is where all your client accounts are managed. Now, select the list view of the accounts you want to update. You can filter by owner, region, or any other criteria to make this process faster. Hover over the account you want to update and click the drop-down arrow on the right-hand side. Then select Change Owner. In the next window, choose the new owner. You can select a specific user or a queue, which is a group of users, depending on how you want to assign the accounts. Finally, click Submit. Salesforce will update the account owner, and the accounts will now be assigned to the new user or queue. And that's it. You've successfully updated the account owner in Salesforce, keeping your client management organized and efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.